Welcome to Sushi Chill and Grill. My name is Jan, and this is what we're gonna make today. My lazy eggy breakfast. For this recipe, I'm gonna use some white bread, and I'm gonna trim off the sides. And don't throw them away. You can make their little French toast sticks from. Really delicious also. And I'm gonna need 4 of those. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Also, I'm gonna use some bacon. Who doesn't love bacon? Now, I'm gonna use this cupcake sheet. I'm gonna spray it in with some non-stick oil. Now put in the bread. And that can be hard, but hey, it doesn't have to be perfect. Only delicious. Now the bacon. And you can do it a lot of ways, but I like to stuff it in. Now some eggs. And as you can see, the egg white is running over because the eggs I bought were too big. You're gonna really need some small eggs. That's better. But hey, we're still gonna make this, and it's still gonna be delicious. Use some pepper and salt. And now it will go in the oven for about 25 minutes. Now they're ready. Let's plate this. And they smell really good. You can really smell the bacon. I love that. I topped it off with some tomatoes. And of course some chives. Who doesn't love chives? And I topped it off with some salt flakes. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the dish. It's really easy to make and so delicious. And as always, see you next time. You can also find me on Instagram, Sushi Chill and Grill.